Hello everyone. Welcome back to Information Arc. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 5G networks. Exploring the incredible benefits they bring to the table, and also addressing the challenges that come with this revolutionary technology. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech updates. Let's jump right in. Benefits of 5G networks. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about the amazing benefits of 5G. 1. High-speed connectivity. First and foremost, 5G offers lightning-fast data transfer speeds. We're talking about speeds that can revolutionize the way we download, stream, and interact with online content. 2. Low latency for real-time experiences. One of the most exciting aspects of 5G is its ultra-low latency. This means real-time communication, making applications like augmented reality and virtual reality truly immersive and responsive. 3. Capacity for the Internet of Things (IoT). 5G can handle a massive number of connected devices simultaneously. This is a game changer for the Internet of Things, paving the way for smart homes, smart cities, and interconnected devices. 4. Enhanced connectivity in urban areas. With the use of higher frequency bands, including millimeter waves, 5G enhances connectivity in urban and densely populated areas, addressing the challenges of network congestion. 5. Customized networks with network slicing. The introduction of network slicing allows for the creation of virtualized, customized networks tailored to specific applications or user requirements. This flexibility is crucial for optimizing the network for different needs. 6. Transformative impact on industries. Beyond personal use, 5G is expected to revolutionize various industries. From healthcare with remote surgeries to manufacturing with smart factories, the impact is immense. Challenges of 5G networks. Now, let's shift our focus to the challenges that come with the deployment of 5G. 1. Infrastructure costs. The rollout of 5G requires substantial infrastructure investments. Building new base stations and developing fiber optic networks come with a hefty price tag. 2. Health concerns. There have been concerns about the health effects of exposure to higher frequency millimeter waves. While scientific consensus suggests safety within guidelines, public perception remains a challenge. 3. Regulatory and spectrum challenges. Allocating suitable frequency bands and navigating regulatory hurdles can pose challenges to the widespread deployment of 5G. Access to the necessary spectrum is crucial for success. 4. Security issues. As with any advanced technology, 5G networks present security challenges. Addressing vulnerabilities and protecting against cyber threats is a top priority. 5. Compatibility and interoperability. Ensuring compatibility with existing technologies and interoperability between different 5G networks and devices is a complex task that needs careful consideration. 6. Coverage and deployment delays. Achieving widespread coverage, especially in rural areas, can be challenging. Deployment delays due to regulatory hurdles or public concerns may slow down progress. 7. Energy consumption. The deployment of 5G infrastructure, particularly the use of a large number of small cells, raises energy consumption concerns, which must be addressed for sustainability. So, there you have it. 5G networks, a technology with immense potential but not without its challenges. What are your thoughts on 5G? Do you see it as a game changer, or do you have concerns? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.